Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem your Bloomingdale's gift cards. Bloomingdale's gift and e-gift cards can be used to purchase merchandise and in-store services at all Bloomingdale's stores as well as online at bloomingdales.com. First, go to bloomingdales.com. Log in with your login details if you haven't signed in yet. After that, click on My Account. Here, under B Wallet section, click My Gift Cards. Remove the Scratch-Off tab to see the gift card number on the back of your gift card. Now enter the 18 or 19-digit number. After that, click View Balance. You can now redeem the gift card and add the balance in your Bloomingdale's account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.